Hey guys, welcome to Tano and Craft. If you are joining us for the first time, you are welcome, and if you've been here before, you are also welcome. Please subscribe, like and share this video to support us, and put on the notification bell so you'll be notified when a new and educative video is uploaded. Now we are going to make hair bun. As you can see on the screen, it is the LiQWYD socks. We are going to slice it or reduce it to the shape we want. I'm now on the sewing machine. I'm trying to reduce it into the size I want because that size is too big for me. Or should I say that size is too big to form a donut. After sewing it, we turn it over. When you turn it over, you now get the size you want. It all depends on the size you want. This is the size I want. Yes. Then what we do next is to stuff in used attachments. Maybe the attachment we combed, the excess ones on the, you can just put it inside to fill up the socks. We are using attachments because we don't want the bun to be heavy. Someone is going to be carrying it on her head. So attachment is the best to put inside the socks. Then you massage very well so that it will be even and give you that smooth surface and round surface. After which you bend and sew to form your donuts. I have not gotten the smooth surface I want, so I keep massaging until I get the smooth surface. Very important. When you are done massaging and you've gotten or you are satisfied with how even it is, you now sew. What you do, you bend it into a circle form and attach it to the other side. Actually, this airborne thing is going to be in series. I'm going to be teaching you how to do different airborne that you can sell. You can put in your shop and sell, or even supply to people selling at wholesale price. This is just number 2. Different types and colorful ones will be in the series. So make sure you put on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time a new video comes up. We are almost done here. You see how it's forming? Here our donut is formed. See how it looks like. Still going to hold it there so it will be well covered and even. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this. So we'll now move on to the next step. You will see how I'm going to use this to form the airborne style I want to do today. Yes, what we do first, we place your net, your mesh on the baby mannequin head, after which we secure with a pin on the four sides. Then we brush out the attachments we are going to use, brush it very well to be smooth, and sew it on the net. Position it at the middle and sew it. After sewing it properly on the net, you now pass it through the bone, the middle, the hole in the middle of the bone. Make sure you make sure all the attachment passes through evenly, and you now brush smoothly like so. After brushing it, you use your tail comb to separate it and spread it round the bone. You now use the elastic to hold it down. Lovely, right? Now we sew round before cutting off the excess attachment. Time to cut, and please be mindful of the net, the mesh underneath, so you don't cut it, because we still need it. We are going, after cutting it, we are still going to sew round again to secure the bun very well. After sewing round the second time, then we can now cut the net or mesh, whichever. But we are not cutting it right now because we want to use an attachment to form the base. After that is done, I'm going to sew. What I'm doing right now is that I'm sewing an extra attachment to use as a base underneath the donut. Brush out to be smooth and roll it round the donut. After that is done, you now sew to secure. After which we now trim off the net. here we are. This is our final products. These are little plastic combs I'm going to attach underneath the bun, so you can easily fix it on your hair, either weaved hair or gelled hair. See how it looks on the hair. Beautiful. Wow. I later decided to spice it up, so I did some twisting and pass it around to make it look beautiful, and this is the result. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do subscribe, like and share this video to support us. Take care and goodbye.